You've done quite a bit over the years to many different plants. What are some of the biggest yields that you've gotten from plants that you've trained?
I'm always shooting for yield. It's so funny. It's like I tell everybody I always try to grow the best, not the most. But really, let's get real, Adam. I'm Adam before I was Kyle, and it's like that's why how I overgrow my garden all the time. It's like I'm I don't I don't really intentionally set out to grow the most, but then once I get started, I'm putting so much energy into maximizing everything from cycling the plants as much as possible to develop the most prolific roots to uh, literally not overdoing it, but feeding hard because the plants want food in order to produce a lot of fruit, and really overdoing it. And then of course, I can't get in there and take pictures of the plants anymore because they're so big that it doesn't look like they're supposed to. Anyways, what was the question? I lost the question.
Largest yields, like biggest yields you've kind of gotten from trained
The
plants?
biggest plants I've ever grown indoors are actually probably might be in my tent right now. And they're equal to the ones that I did back in Mendo days. I grew a little bit over a pound a plant, and they were Sage Masta Adam Dunn's TH Seeds Sage. And I grew, it was right after I got arrested, believe it or not, in Mendocino. And the trial was pending and everything, but they didn't take away my rights to grow. So, like literally, I got out of jail the next day, and I went and planted 6 plants. So I had medicine, and and so at that, it's so you're only allowed to have six. So I grew them to the ceiling, and probably vegged them for I don't know, 2 or 3 months, 2.5 months or something, and a pound. I think it was close to a pound and a quarter indoors in my basement, and that's what I've got now. I've got these 20-gallon, 25-gallon pots, 6 foot tall. I vegged them for 90 days, and they're just finishing up their 8th week here. Right before I get to go to Barcelona, I'm going to be harvesting here pretty quick, and they're going to be 12 to 16 or 18 ounces each. So I only got 8 plants. It makes it really easy to take care of,
A lot of trimming.
Yeah, but it's really easy because everything is just super, super chunk.
Colas.
And then there's really not much trimming to do on some of the varietals that I'm playing with. The Grape Ape and the Cherry Lopez is like little here and there, and it's just very, very yummalicious.
This clip is brought to you by AC Infinity. Use discount code MrGrow at 15 to save on any of their products.